There is something about apple pie that makes it feel like home. Today I'm baking my favorite version from scratch. Let's start with the ingredients that we are going to be using for this apple pie. Here we have 4 large apples, we have 100 grams of butter, we have half teaspoon of salt, you have a teaspoon of baking powder, you have 1 deciliter of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and cinnamon powder. Welcome back to the channel. Let's start by washing our apples. You can see, wash them one after the other. Then go right ahead and clean your apples. You can choose not to clean the apples because some prefer it with the peelings, but I wouldn't want to have the peelings in my apple, so it's optional. If you want to just have the peelings in the apple, it's still okay. We are done peeling the apples. Let's go ahead and cut that. You want to single out the middle part of this apple that has the seeds. Now let's slice them into small pieces, and then you have something like this. Now to make our apple fillings, turn our heat on, and then into this saucepan, which is already heating right now, we have a tablespoon of sugar. We are going to stir this on low heat until it's completely melted and has that caramel color. Just follow on as we continue with the process. See how wonderfully melted it is, this part right now. We want to have this brown color at the end of it. So you just keep stirring. Wow, that is looking wonderful. I want to make sure all of it is melted. Let's get in with our butter. This is about a tablespoon of butter as well. Beautifully blend that into the butter, into the caramel sugar. See that? And we are going to go in with our apples. This is fully blended. In with our apples. Then we mix. Now we'll get in our cinnamon. Remember, we are using a tablespoon of cinnamon powder as we introduced from the very start. This is a secret. You don't want to miss this cinnamon powder in your apple pie. It gives a very delicious flavor that you don't want to miss. Carefully stir that. And look at that color. Now everything is well mixed. We cover that and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. While that is going on, let's jump over to our crust. This is a very beautiful part. Don't miss any step of it. Now over to our crust, we have a big bowl here. Carefully crack our 2 eggs. To that, we will go in with our sugar. Add in our salt. Then you whisk it together. There you have it. Go in with the butter. This is about room temperature. Also mix it together. Now you may want to ask me why these chunks or these lumps of butter in the mixture. Yes, we want to have it like that because it makes the crust to be more flaky. Let's go ahead and add our flour, and then we have the baking powder. Remember the measurement. Mix it carefully. If you are still watching this far, thank you so much for your support. And if you are finding value, do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. So you keep mixing that. With your hands washed, let's go in and knead the dough. Just briefly. Don't want to over knead it because there's really no need for that. Our crust ready. 1/3 of this, we are going to refrigerate it while we make our base with the rest. Have our pie pan here, then our crust in it. Let's go right ahead and form that. Just with the back of your hand, you can fix that. But if you feel uncomfortable, you can use any object to flatten it. flatten that. As it gets to the edge, just trim out the last part of it. Like I said, I prefer using my hands, but if you prefer any tool that is helpful in your kitchen, go right ahead and use it. If you are still watching this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Now our pie is ready. Look at how beautiful it turned out. We are ready to go in with our apple fillings. So let's get that right in. Now we are done with that. Let's get our filling in. Just flatten that. Now we get the last part of our crust over here. You remember we did put it in the fridge for a few minutes, so we are going to get it out and top the apple fillings with. There you have it. And with this hand grater, let's get it over. You want to have a very crunchy topping. The reason we are making this way, and we are ready to get this into the oven. We'll bake this for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. We are baking at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes.
Oh wow, just look at that. Came out so beautifully.
It's ready. So ready our pie. Just look at that. Now let's get a bite of that. Get a slice and see how it turned out to be. Oh my God. Then let's have our vanilla sauce. Look at how crispy it is here.
And this is how the apple pie turned out. I hope you loved it and you are going to try it in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.